Hey everybody, this is first time doing a video like this, so I'm going to be talking about how I wired up the fog lights on this 2018 Honda Fit I got right here. I got the base model, so you can see there weren't any fog lights to begin with. And this side has like my working prototype. And I'm going to go in depth on the other side, how I get it all set up. I'm going to start here with the wiring, which is always like the most troublesome part for me whenever doing these projects. So, the kit I bought came with a whole wiring harness. Some basic parts, like here's a power supply, and I got my wiring tools all on the way. I wired the grounds to that, whatever that is, down there. It worked pretty well. To bypass the whole thing about maybe cutting my wires, I just put a, like this pulls, this splices this wire, and this is a whole, let me show you. I got another one over here. I bought one of these so I can have a place to connect the headlight still and then splice into new wire without splicing into the existing wiring harness. So at any point I could unplug this and I won't have cut any of my actual OEM wires. So these are like $5 online. So, okay, you find that the middle or top, you could say, of this triangle light configuration, that's the power, and that's the one you're going to use for your signal wire. So you cut into that with one of these nice little wire cut and additional wire add-ons, and in my kit the green wire was the signal wire, so I put the green in there. It came with a button, but I didn't want to do the button. I just want these to run off my my headlights. I think that'll just work a lot nicer. If I turn my headlights, I disabled DRLs. If you have DRLs, that might not work, but you might need to actually do the button. But so here's the wiring harness, or the relay, I should say. So the relay takes that signal wire and then tells it to send power to this white wire here, which then powers all the fog lights. The red wire is the power supply, so you just wire that right into your battery. That works pretty easy. And yeah, I bought one of these nice, you can use a multimeter too, one of these nice little power checking tools. And I used it to test the signal wire and test the relay, and I finally plugged it into my nice little fog light kit. And it all turned on and seems to work, so I'm going to complete this install.